Hey, what is going on, Hero? Today is day number 51, and we're going to be talking about how to maximize the conversion of your clients' prospects. So that way we can make them the most amount of money possible, but also make the most of how much they're spending on you. And so let's go ahead and we will break this down step by step. So the first thing that your client is going to want to do is they're going to want to go to the App Store or the Apple Store and download on their phone the Facebook Page Manager app and make sure that push notifications are installed. Why is this so important? Because what we need to do is if we start sending messages to your client's Facebook page with leads that are interested in their product or service, or we have a lead that goes through our funnel that needs to be called, any one of these scenarios, that prospect needs to be contacted within 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, the faster that you can make contact with them, the higher chance of turning that person into an actual sale. And so what we want to do by having them download this app is now it will come directly on their phone and they'll be able to manage it directly, and it's going to take out the possibility of them taking 2 hours to get back to this person who's really interested in purchasing whatever it is they have to sell. Now after we kind of cover that, we have them set up with that application. They understand that, listen, you need to call this person on the phone as soon as possible. You need to write back to them if they're sending you a Facebook message. The next piece is one of the things that you can do. What we want to do, let me take a step back here. We want to make sure that we have the best closer handling these prospects. So if that is the business owner or that is just one of the employees out of the many that they have that typically just do better with turning those leads into sales, we want to make sure they have their best closer, actually contacting these people, because we want to make the most of these prospects. So one of the things you can do with CallRail or one of these other call systems is you can actually record phone calls with your lead and your client. And now Texas is a single party consent state, which means I can record that and I don't have to deal with any kind of legal ramifications. But I don't know what it is for your state, so I'm definitely not a lawyer. You'll need to look that up. The only reason I would do this is we want to be able to tell, is this client calling the lead and going, hey, how you doing? I saw that you sent us a Facebook message, like super boring, or are they really energetic and they did a great job of closing that person? If we can listen to that and try to figure out where the weak link is as we start sending people to our client, it's going to help increase conversion. So something we can do is we can actually set up whoever the closer is with a very basic script to start closing these clients more effectively. When it comes to an actual lead coming in the business and redeeming whatever the special offer was, let's say for an example this was a fitness gym and we gave away a free 1-week membership. What we want to do is we want to offer the person that came in with this free 1-week voucher the opportunity to waive that and not take advantage of the 7-day trial, but to get started right now and be able to get a special offer combined with that, which would be something like a personal training session for free. A personal training session could be worth like $100, so you could see that there would be huge value in that. So what we do is we simply say, hey, if you feel like you're probably going to end up signing up already, if you feel like you're going to end up signing up, why not just take advantage of this free personal training session as well? We'll waive this week. We'll get you started right now, and when would be the best time to schedule this personal training session? So it's going to be a much better way to take these people that want to take advantage of freebies and turn them into actual paying clients. So whenever you have clients that are giving away these free trials or these freebies, try to give them a special offer of some kind to get them into a paying customer, because we don't want people to use the freebie and then not get on a pay package and end up losing a lot of potential sales there. And then the final thing that I really want to cover is making sure that your client is following up with the lead. When I was running my personal training gym, which I still run, I used to get free sessions that would get booked all the time, right? It was like a consultation session. One of the things that was so important was you have to call the lead. You have to make sure that they understand they're going to be coming, right? So like if the session is going to happen in 2 weeks, I call them a week out. I text them the night before. I make sure that they're actually going to come in and not waste everybody's time, right? So make sure that your client or whoever they put in charge of following up with leads actually, fulfills that work, and make sure that those prospects that are interested in using their product or service actually comes in. All right, so just to recap, make sure that your client has the Facebook Page Manager app downloaded so they have those push notifications coming in. They can respond to people immediately. Make sure your client is responding to messages and calling the prospects immediately within 5 to 15 minutes, or else their chances of closing that person will drastically drop. Work with your clients to come up with different methods and scenarios to help them close these prospects even more effective if you feel like they're not really doing the best job of it. We got to be careful. We don't want to offend them and make them feel like they don't know how to do their job, right? So be respectful in that way. And then the next thing is creating a special offer if we waive whatever that voucher is for. So if it was like a voucher for a free week, then giving a special offer if they get rid of that voucher and get started immediately and get this special offer on top of that. And then finally is making sure that your client is following up consistently with the lead to make sure they come in and create the opportunity to close them as a sale. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Later, y'all.